Back again. I'm doing what would I say this is? This is a hidden gem. Old Town's Zandt song. I hope you guys know who he is. If not, check him out. He's got tons and tons of great stuff. And there's a really good version of the song in The Broken Circle, which is a bluegrass movie from Germany or Holland or somewhere over there. It's all subtitles, which sucks, but how many movies have bluegrass music in them? So it's one cancels out the other, and it's actually a really good movie, and the music in there is just done so good. And they've actually gone off now, and they're doing tours, I think, across the states of the original band that was in the movie, because they all played, and it was all their actual arrangement. So anyways, that was a little bit of a side note, but the song is If I Needed You by Townes Van Zandt. Simple song. It plays the melodies throughout the whole thing. And I finger pick this one, and then I switch to a pick. It's we'll just start out here. Just a simple melody that is just superb. No way else of saying that. So we'll start with just the simple basic notes. Everything is on your high D string. So the first time through, you end up back on the second fret. And the second time through, you end up open. And that just keeps alternating. So I'm not going to show you the finger picking. That's for you to figure out, because everybody's going to do that different. But for the chords, most of it's open D, and there's a G and an A in there as well. So still all D to the G, a quick D to the A, and then back to the D. All D. G, D, A, D. Doesn't get much better than that. Simple and beautiful. Probably my shortest lesson video to start. And all not to start. Oh my god, I'm so tongue-tied right now. I should stop doing videos. Nah, I'm gonna keep going. Anyways, so that's If I Needed You. Like I said, great song. Check it out. Check out Townes Van Zandt if you've never heard of him. Check out that movie, The Broken Circle. You got put up with subtitles, but like I said, you won't get finer bluegrass music in any other movie. Well, besides Oh Brother Out There. Speaking of which, that's the next lesson. Have fun.